Hi guys, today I am sharing my portfolio and we discuss the Axis Bank investment which I bought in November month, and here is the chart on monthly time frame, and there is a higher highs in Axis Bank, and there is a breakout after 811, and I bought it around 886, and the breakout is good. We come to the weekly time frame, and the price goes up around 937 and then coming down, and I bought it around 886, and again I bought it at around after the breakout at 936. On an average my buying price is 911, and if you check at from the price of 886 there is a good amount of return, around 30%, and my average my return is around 22% due to averaging. My investment is not huge, but the 30% is a good amount.